Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to have an easy breakfast. It's the breakfast that I've been sort of thinking about quite a lot. I'm going to make a simple one. I'm buying it from the Chinese supermarket. So I'm going to have a nice breakfast today. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. So let's see what I'm having for breakfast. Today I'm having the lazy breakfast, and I'm thinking about this breakfast for a long while. This is Cheong fan, and I got it from the Chinese supermarket. Grease the steaming bowl with some oil. I'm going to steam this. I'm having this as well. I'm just trying to make it like I'm having this yong tofu sort of thing, but this is the nearest I can get without cooking and making it. Add the beancurd skin roll. So we put a greaseproof paper with holes punched inside, and I'm going to put this, and then I'm going to put this down here. Because the beancurd skin roll has got some sauce, I don't want the sauce to leak out. So here we put it on a steamer, and we'll steam it for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, we prepare the sauce. I've got this heko, or it's called petis udang. So let's about 2 to 3 teaspoons. Then we add some hot water. Let me see how much. 2 tablespoons hot water. And we stir it. It's a bit thin, so I'm going to add another teaspoon of the heko, of the prawn paste. You also need some hoisin sauce, sweet hoisin sauce, and sesame oil. And if you have shallot oil, which I make my crispy shallot, and I save up the oil, and some toasted sesame seed. Oh yeah, you need some fried onions too. This is the one I bought from the shop, so I'm using this. Let's see. It's done now, so it's soft. So we're going to serve it. So here we are. And then we're going to cut it. Or if you like, you can open it. You can open it and it will taste nicer, but it's not easy to open. Oh my gosh, it's not easy to open. Forget it. Just cut it. Okay, let's add the beancurd roll, beancurd skin roll. Okay, and we're going to cut this as well. Oh, I love this. I like the soft skin, the beancurd skin. It's been fried and then wrapped. Ooh, that's really nice. So let's put a few squirt of the hoisin sauce, some of the heko. The heko is a bit not thick enough, so that's why I'm not diluting the hoisin sauce. Yeah. I'm going to add the fried onions. Ooh, that's nice. A bit of sesame oil, shallot oil. Oops, sorry. Okay. The sesame seeds. Ooh, this is nice. So here is my breakfast. So let's see. Let's mix it up. And let's try the cheong fan, which is actually a rice noodles. This one has got some vegetables in there. close enough to the Penang version of Cheong fan, but the Penang version don't have all these like yong tofu type of accompaniments. So this one is mixing it up. So let's try. This is very good. I love this, but it's a little bit oily, so you can't eat a lot. So there you go, a cheap breakfast, a Malaysian breakfast, and it brings back memories, and I'm enjoying it. See you soon. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you think this is interesting and your friends or family members might like it. Bye then. See you. Bye. Bye.